Hello, and thank you for tuning in. Today we have an absolutely gorgeous Softail Deuce up for sale. For the full information, please check out our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112. The amount of upgrades on this bike is astounding, really. Only 6,131 miles on the odometer. Runs fantastic. Here in the sun, this paint is just gorgeous, at least to me. You can see the chrome shining in the sun. It's very bright out here at the moment. In case you missed it, again, our website, www.americanclassicmotors.com. You can also give us a call, 610-754-8500. Use extension 112. We appreciate you watching the video. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.